Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on magnifier option in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your settings. Now click on accessibility. Here you can see the option of magnifier. You have to press on it. Here in this magnifier option, you just have to turn on this button. Here you can see the option. That's it. So this is how you can turn on magnifier option in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.